Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty opened slight gap up and it was sideways market today. Nifty and Bank Nifty both, because tomorrow is holiday, so most of the traders are carry forwarding at the money straddles. So Nifty closed with 26 point positive, whereas Bank Nifty closed with 59 points negative. So now let's check the open interest analysis of big players. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having 80% long and 20% short. So today they have increased 1% long and reduced 1% short. So now they have 81% long, 19% short. Option index, in call they were having 1.95 lakhs of call buying. Today they have increased their call buying by 1.31 lakh contract. So they have 3.27 lakh contract of call buying, and in put they were having 1.12 lakhs of put buying contract by yesterday. Today they have increased their put buying by 1.10 lakh contract. So now they have 2.22 lakh of put buying contract. So slight bullish there are in option, has call buying is more than put buying, and the super bullish in future index has they have 81% long. In cash flow they have purchased for 1271 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have increased call buying, so they have 59% call buying, 41% call writing, 55% put buying, 45% put writing. FII is very much bullish. Now we'll check for client. Client are also known as retailers. In future index long, they were having 36% long and 64% short. They have increased 1% long and reduced 1% short, so they have 37% long, 63% short. In option index, they were having 5.94 lakhs of call writing position by yesterday. Today they have increased their call writing by 67,000 contracts. So now they have 6.61 lakhs of call writing contract. In put they were having a put writing of 3.75 lakhs of put writing contract. They have increased drastically 2.87 lakh contracts. So they have 6.62 lakhs of put writing. So they have hedged their positions, call writing versus put writing, but they are negative in future index. And in cash flow also they have sold for 799 crores. Retailers are very much bearish now. In option buying versus selling, they have 47% call buying, 53% call writing, 47% put buying, 53% put writing. Proprietor, in future index they have 35% long by yesterday, 65% short. So today they have reduced their longs, increased the short by 2%. They have 33% long, 67% short. Option index, they were having 3.96 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded 64,000 contract, still holding 3.32 lakhs of call buying. And in put they were having 1.32 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded most of them contract in profit today, and today they have made only 44,000 put buying contract. So in option they are bullish, but in future index they are bearish. In cash flow they have purchased for 537 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 55% call buying, 45% call writing, 51% put buying, 49% put writing. Now we will check the change in OI. Nifty expiry will be on 18th July. So we still see a good number of put writing addition at 24,600, 24,650 and 24,700 as well. Meanwhile, we also have a call writing at 24,650 and 24,700. Many traders are carry forwarding short straddle of at the money, because tomorrow is holiday, so to eat the premium they are carry forwarding at the money straddles. But still it is positive only. So Bank Nifty for next week expiry, that will be on 24th July. We have seen a good number of put writing addition at 52,000 and also at 52,500. Also we have seen 52,500 call writing also at these levels. As per OI build-up, we can see it is not that positive. Negative data build-up we can see in OI build-up now. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1-day time frame, it has formed a doji candle, so it is still wait and watch as per the technical, but our data is positive, so we will not short. As usual from last 15-20 days I am just saying we will not short Nifty, but If we get opportunity to short Bank Nifty, we can short Bank Nifty. So what we have in one time frame, it has still formed a spinning top kind of a candle only, and it's a supported 52,000. So it is in consolidation phase. We can do option writing and make a good profit here, but we cannot do option buying at these levels, or else we can short after 52,000 levels are broken. Our 52,500 levels are broken on higher side, we can go long. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.